have been used in new and existing construction for quite some time now. However, this technology is relatively new in the US and most of the American continent. We at Andromeda District had to analyze how to best approach to make a greater impact and change this culture of how we in America build. Andromeda District is a manufacturer of green wall systems. We specialize in the installation and design of green walls for commercial, residential, and institutional, like this library. We have one of our showpieces here, as you can see in the background. We realized that the best place to reach people and communities was through the institutions that serve them, like schools, hospitals, elder facilities, performing centers. We're very proud now to have built the first green living walls for Miami-Dade library system.
As we see the state and the cities become more socially conscious about the impact the environment is having on our community at large and on climate change, lots of companies will have to figure out a way to become more efficient and figure out a way to contribute to the environment instead of taking away from it. Every day we see more and more how the environment impacts our everyday lives. So industries like the agriculture industry and the tourism industry and some of the more service-oriented industries as well are trying to figure out a way that they can sort of move with the current tide of going greener. When you are near a living plant or a living creature, that's why people love pets and animals and have plants in their house, that there's something about being next to something that's living that brings more life to a human being. And we see that every day just by people sitting in parks and loving to go into environments that are beautiful and that are natural. So as you go into some of the government centers and some of the recreational centers around the city and around the county, and you see living walls and you see beautiful gardens being planted, they bring happiness to people's lives. They also give a sense of home and a sense of comfort. So it's a beautiful thing to sort of see work and life and pleasure and nature all sort of come into one in some of these beautiful areas. The county government here in Miami-Dade County is offering lots of tax incentives for companies that are trying to work towards having a greener way of working and functioning with the environment. Also, there are incentives that waste management companies are providing and that the state government is providing to encourage companies to leave a smaller carbon footprint.
Many of these institutions make a great impact in our communities, promoting programs that treat and prevent health issues. For this very reason, it is imperative that we integrate and responsibly build greener, cleaner spaces, not only for our environment, but also for our residents and for the future of our city. Contact us at 305-718-3990 www.andromedadistrict.com and follow us on social media.